In a survey of 420 people, ages 20 to 60, 279 say they have had a dentist appointment in the last 6 months. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the population proportion of people who have had a dentist appointment in the last 6 months, and then interpret the results. So we want to use the one prop z interval, and we need to tell it x, n, and c. So I'm going to type all of my information under the one prop z interval and then calculate. So our confidence interval rounded to 3 places is 0.619 to 0.709. Now they also provide p hat and n because we still need to check to make sure that n times p hat and n times q hat are both greater than or equal to 5. So that is our confidence interval, and both n times p hat and n times q hat are greater than or equal to 5. So our interval is valid. So with 95% confidence, we can say that the true population proportion of people who have had a dentist appointment in the last 6 months is between 61.9% and 70.9%.